I have here a very nice example of a Google form that a teacher is using to get information from parents and students as the school year begins. And so if I scroll down here, you can see that there are some things that are mandatory that people fill out on here, and there's some things that are not. The red star indicates that they have to include something in that field. And then if you come down here to the bottom, you see that it says 25% completed, and that has this continue box. So what has happened here is the person that's made this form has put information on multiple pages, and then they've also provided opportunity for the users to skip information if it's irrelevant. So let's take a look at that. This is the form, and this is where it is in editable version. So you see here it says page 104, and the teacher has put this little welcome here. And this is a page header. Then we've got the questions that are right here, and so on. And then now we have another page. Okay, so where it says after page 1, it continues to page 2. And then we've got a permission here. This is on that next page. And then after the class parties, we have another page that's separate. And let's look here at this one. Okay, right here where it says, no, unfortunately, I'm not able to help, then you skip the next page and go straight to page 4. If you were able to help, you would be able to say what party you're willing to help with, and then so on. So let me just show you how that's set up very quickly. I'm going to create a new form. And I'm going to call this page-based answer. So my question, my first one is going to be, what's your name? I'm going to change that to a text. And then my next one is going to be, what grade is your child in? Okay, so multiple choice is going to be 3rd grade, 4th grade, or 5th grade. Okay, so now I'm going to hit done. I'm going to come back up and revisit this later, but for now what I'm going to do is click on this arrow and tell it that I want a page break. This page title I'm going to call 3rd grade. And on this page I want to ask a question. How about, how will your child get home from school? And my options are going to be bus, walk, parent pickup, and then I'm also going to choose after school program. Okay, and then I'm going to hit done. So now you can see here that I've got 2 pages. And if I were to go here where it says what grade is your child in, I'm going to edit that now. And I usually wait until I'm all done to do this. I'll click go to page based on answer, and then here where it says 3rd grade, I'm going to click, and instead of it being continue to next page, I'm going to choose 3rd grade. Then I'm going to hit done. I need to go in and add a 4th grade page. And the questions I'm going to ask, maybe the same question. Okay, hit done. And then now I'm going to go back up into this one, and then where it says fourth grade, I'll choose where it says fourth grade right here. So you see that I'm naming the page to correspond with this question. So now if I view it by clicking on View Live Form, it says what grade is your child in. If I choose fourth and then hit continue, then I've got my fourth grade one right here. So that's a very handy thing to be able to provide, so that way if you've got some very specific information that some groups need to answer but some groups don't, this can help them and you save a little bit of time.